Deep cavities often have dark dentine, and the dark dentine will show through the filling, making it look grey. And it can also be very thin, so that it's easy to get pulp exposures when you air abrade. So in this case, I've done some self-etching primer and bond, this is SE Bond, over the pulp, and I'm putting a little tiny bit of flowable just over the pulp. Then we've gone and refreshened all the edges to remove the adhesive and air abraded and done etching on the enamel and prepared to do the rest of the restoration. Now, in this case, we want to use a dentine shade first, and so we put some flowable in there and then dentine shade, and even though the dentine shade is more opaque, it still showed some of the black dentine as grey. So I've used some Kerr Opaque A2 just over the black dentine, and then I've reapplied the dentine shade of resin so that it didn't look black. And that's one way you deal with grey cavities. If you enjoyed this, please share it, put a comment, or ask questions. I really enjoy questions. If you want to drive your skills from doing single fillings to ceramics, quadrant dentistry, aesthetics, veneers, and full mouth rehabilitation in the super efficient methods that we've developed with the Fellowship in Restorative Dentistry, please go to the link in my profile or in the stories.